Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we cover operators in Python. So first question which trigger on your mind is, what is operators? So let's start with this question. Operators are special symbols that perform some sort of operations on variables or values and return the result. And these variables and values are called as operand. Now comes to the example, like 2 press 3 give the result 5. Here press sign is the operator which perform addition, and 2 and 3 are the operand, and 5 is the result of this operation. So let's do some practical in Jupyter Notebook. Let's define A equals to 5. Now define B equals to 5. Now run the cell, shift press enter. Now add it like A press B. And now print the sum. It is 10. If we change it to 3 and we get 8 as a result. Here A is operand and press is operator, and this is result. Now we can also add values with the help of predefined function. For this, we have to import operator library. For this, write import operator. Now write operator dot add. Add is a function where A dot comma B. Let's run the cell. Here we get 8. Now if we change the value of B to 5 and again run the cell, we get 10. Now come back to the theory. Let's go through different type of operators present in Python. There are arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator. And there are special operators present in Python, which is entity operator and membership operator. We cover all these one by one. So let's start with arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operators, we perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, floor division, and exponentiation. As we know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, it works same as in maths. Come to the modulus operators, returns the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right. Remainder of the x divided by y will be the result. Now comes to the floor division. Floor division is similar like a division, but if we divide it and the result will come into the float value or in the decimal value, in floor division, it only return the whole value like integer value. There is no float will be there if we use floor division. And if we use simple division, the value should be come into the float or in the decimal. Or now comes to the exponent. It is simple as the power of, like x exponent y. So x to the power of y Like if we write x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3, like then 2 to raise to the power 3 should be 8. It is more clear when we done practical. So come to the practical part. Now do some practical. Let's define a is equals to 5, b is equals to 6. Now a press b, it show result 11. We can use predefined function from operator library, which is this. Now use this to add a and b. Let's see the result. It show 11. Let's give the value 5 to 6. Let's see the result is changed. Now do some subtraction. Let's define a is equals to 16. Now a minus b, I didn't run this cell. Now it show result 10. Use predefined function which is sub from operator library and pass a comma b. Here we get the result. Now comes to the multiplication, like a asterisk b is 96. Now let's make it simple, like 5 and it's 2. Now run this cell again. Here we get 10 as a result. Now same, use the predefined function from operator library, which is mul, mul, a comma b. The result is same. Now comes to the division. Now a divided by b, it is 2.5. Let's do the same things with the floor division and you can see the difference. Like a floor b, it show only integer and here we can get 2.5 which is float. So the difference in division and floor division is that in floor division we only get integer value as a result. It ignores the value which come after decimal. Okay, let's do this with the predefined function operator dot truediv. For division we use truediv comma b. We get the same value. And for the floor division we use dot floor div a comma b and it shows the same result. Now comes to the exponential, the raise the power of, like we want to get the 2 raised to the power 3, we get 8. We can do the same with the predefined function which is for. First use operator dot for 2 comma 3 and we get 8. Let's define this 4 and also change the value from here also and we get that. Now come to the modulus operator. Now define a is equals to 15, b is equals to 2 and a modulus b. For modulus operation we use percentage sign. Run it. we get 1 value. And 1 is the remainder when we divide A divided by B. If we change the B value to 3, there is no remainder because 15 is totally divided by 3. And if we give the value B to 4, let's see the result. It is 3. I hope these arithmetic operators are clear to you. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. And if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.